Digital marketing and brand marketing are two different approaches to marketing a business online. Digital marketing focuses on using online channels like social media, search engines, and email marketing to reach and engage with the target audience. Brand marketing, on the other hand, focuses on building a strong and recognizable brand image and identity to attract and retain customers. Digital marketing uses data and analytics to target specific segments of the audience and measure the success of marketing campaigns. Brand marketing focuses on creating an emotional connection between the brand and the customers to build loyalty and trust. In digital marketing, the emphasis is on reaching the target audience at the right time and in the right place. Brand marketing aims to create a positive and memorable brand experience that sets the business apart from competitors. Digital marketing allows businesses to track and measure the effectiveness of their marketing efforts through various metrics and tools. Brand marketing focuses on long-term brand equity and the overall reputation of the business in the market. In digital marketing, the use of technology and automation is crucial to streamline marketing processes and deliver personalized messages. Brand marketing emphasizes the importance of consistent messaging, visuals, and storytelling to create a cohesive brand presence. Digital marketing offers a wide range of tactics such as search engine optimization, online advertising, and content marketing to increase brand visibility. Brand marketing focuses on creating a unique and compelling brand story that resonates with the target audience. Digital marketing can be more cost-effective and efficient in reaching a larger audience compared to traditional brand marketing efforts. Brand marketing is about building a strong brand personality and voice that aligns with the values and aspirations of the target audience. Digital marketing allows businesses to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors to tailor their marketing messages. Brand marketing aims to create a distinctive brand identity and positioning that differentiates the business from competitors. Digital marketing enables businesses to leverage the power of social media influencers and online communities to amplify their brand message. Brand marketing focuses on creating a lasting impression and emotional connection with customers through storytelling and brand experiences. Digital marketing strategies can be easily adjusted and optimized based on real-time data and performance metrics. Brand marketing aims to create loyal customers who will not only purchase repeatedly but also advocate for the brand. Digital marketing offers the advantage of immediate feedback and interaction with the target audience through comments, likes, and shares. Brand marketing focuses on fostering brand loyalty and turning customers into brand advocates through exceptional customer experiences. Digital marketing relies heavily on data analysis and measurement to optimize marketing campaigns and maximize return on investment. Brand marketing aims to create a brand reputation and perception that attracts and retains customers even in a highly competitive market. Digital marketing allows businesses to target specific geographic locations and demographics to increase brand exposure. Brand marketing focuses on building brand equity and trust, which can translate into long-term customer loyalty and increased market share. Digital marketing provides businesses with the opportunity to track and analyze customer behavior and preferences for better targeting. Brand marketing aims to create a consistent brand image across all touchpoints, online and offline, to build brand recognition and recall. Digital marketing enables businesses to leverage the power of email marketing to nurture leads and convert them into customers. Brand marketing focuses on creating a brand personality that resonates with the target audience's values, interests, and aspirations. Digital marketing offers the advantage of reaching a global audience, breaking geographical barriers, and expanding market reach. Brand marketing aims to create a memorable and recognizable brand logo, tagline, and visual identity to differentiate the business from competitors. Digital marketing allows businesses to stay ahead of the competition by constantly adapting and adopting new technologies and strategies. Brand marketing focuses on creating an emotional connection that goes beyond the product or service, building stronger customer loyalty. In summary, digital marketing and brand marketing are complementary strategies that businesses can leverage to achieve their marketing goals.